Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. It was the beautiful morning. Jimin was sleeping peacefully. The morning light peeked through the curtain and creased his raw puffy cheeks. He slept like a dead man. Nobody in this world could make him wake up without his will, except his mobile's special notification. His mobile buzzed with that special magical tone. Jimin's hand immediately stretched out and grabbed his mobile. His eyes were still closed. He unlocked his mobile and checked the notification with blurry vision. As soon as he saw the notification, he jumped and sat on the bed. Jimin, what? How can I forget this date? I was waiting for it since months, and when finally this date came, I was sleeping like an idiot. Park Jimin, get up. Where is my laptop and cards? He was overexcited. He was jumping here and there while throwing everything. He turned his wardrobe upside down just to find his cards and laptop. Finally, he got his cards. He sat on the bed with his laptop on his lap. He was doing something in it. In just few minutes, he spread whole room like any storm just hit it. Yoongi, his mafia husband, entered the room to get his files and saw Jimin was already up. It wasn't less than the miracle for him because usually Jimin woke up at the noon. Yoongi, oh, you are already up? Has sun risen from the west today? You woke up in this early morning? Looked at messy room. Oh, so my dear husband didn't only wake up early, he did so much hard work too. Jimin didn't reply him, which made him suspicious. He didn't reply me? Usually he doesn't take a second to taunt back. But today he is so quiet and focused. What happened to him? He woke up early too. Now he is silent. It's not a good sign. Is he alright? I don't think so. What is he doing in his laptop? I have never seen him this focused in past 2 weeks. I think I should call the doctor. But first let me check him. In which thing he is so focused? Yoongi was genuinely concerned for Jimin. Usually Jimin was so loud and energetic. His silence meant something was wrong. He went to him and saw the laptop screen where he was filling his details. He was entering the card number. Yoongi became furious to see the sight. He snatched Jimin's card from his hand. Jimin angrily looked at Yoongi. Yeah, Min, Yoongi! How dare you to snatch my card? Give me back my card. Now I have to refill the entire form just because of your stupidity. Yoongi, forget about the card. You won't get it. Jimin, excuse me. Who the hell are you to stop Park Jimin to use my own card? Yoongi, your husband Min Yoongi, and now you are Min Jimin, not Park Jimin. Jimin Whatever. Give my card. Yungi, once I said you won't fill this form, then you won't. Jimin, listen, Min Yungi, I'm Park Jimin. Do you think you own me by marrying? I'm not from those husbands who obey their husbands. Nonsense. I'm Park Jimin, and Park Jimin makes his own rules. You are nothing to stop me. Yungi, I will see how you will fill this form. Jimin, do you think I have only one card? Min Yungi, Park Jimin is born with golden spoon. Showed him is all the cards. I have more cards, including this black card. Yungi snatched his all the cards. I know very well that my husband is millionaire. Now I won't allow you to do this. Jimin tried to snatch his cards. Min Yungi, don't mess with me. Yungi pushed Jimin on the bed. You want to use your cards, Broke his all the cards and gave to him. Here is your cards. Now go ahead. Jimin angrily looked at him. You! Ah! Clenched his fist. You think I have only cards? I will use my mobile. Grabbed his mobile and opened the side. You can never separate me from my love. I will definitely go to meet him. My love is waiting for me. Hyungi snatched his mobile. Once I said you won't go to him, then you won't. You are now my husband. You have to forget him. If you can't, then I know very well how to throw him out of your life. Jimin, you can never separate me from him. He is my soul. In my every breath, I only love him. You are always second for me. You are nothing in front of him. I will show you, Min Yungi. Yungi pressed Jimin's chubby cheeks. That's the problem, my dear husband. I should be at the top of your priority list. Kissed him. I already prepared your breakfast. Have it. Clean the mess which you have created, and always remember that you are Min Jimin, husband of Mafia King Min Yungi. Only my name should be on your lips, not that useless man. Your mobile and laptop are going with me. Behave well. Jimin kicked him. You better don't try to show me your power. Yungi, if I wasn't late for office, then I would have definitely replied to you. But no problem, I will reply after coming back. Left with Jimin's mobile and laptop. Yungi looked at Jimin's back and threw pillow on him. I hate you, Min Yungi. Marrying you was the biggest mistake of my life. You can't stop loving my love. I will definitely go to him. Time skipped in the evening. Yungi returned home early from his work because he knew he had to bear his angry bird's anger. It had been only 2 weeks since their marriage. Yungi loved him more than anything. Jimin wasn't a normal boy. If sassiness had a face, it would have looked like Jimin. Yungi was the mafia king whom everyone feared, but Jimin never feared of him. Yungi unlocked the door with a spare key and entered, but couldn't find Jimin anywhere in the house. Yungi checked him in the entire house. Now, where did this boy go? Understanding this boy is more difficult than reading the minds of big and ruthless mafias. I told him to clean the mess which he had created, but when did he listen to me? He spread the whole house. Doorbell rang. Finally, he returns. Went to the entrance and opened the door. You? T-Cook pushed him.
Yes, Titi and Cookie are back, Minjungi. Minnie, Minnie, Minnie.
Ran inside. Yungi was one headache less, Dad. Both of these came back to increase my headache. Excuse me? You called my son's headache? Yungi looked at him. Headache will also feel bad that I called them headache. These two are walking storm. How dare you to call my sons a walking storm? I'm worldwide handsome, you know. I will sue you. June, calm down, Ginny. You can sue him later. First, let's complete the work for what we have come here. Went inside. Yungi slowly shook his head. Both the brothers are always ready to sue me. Now I understand where he got this habit from. Looked outside. He doesn't come with them. Went to them. Jin saw the mess. Yungi, what have you done to the condition of the house? Why is this house so messy? Nothing is in its proper place. It feels like I have walked into a dump yard. You even broke June's record of creating mess. Yungi, the entire credit for this goes to your brother. Tell him this. I left the house in good condition, but your brother made it a dump yard. Cookie ran to them.
Mama, Mama, Dada, Dada. Minnie isn't at home.
T ran to them while screaming.
Mama, Dada, Mama, Dada. Minnie isn't at home. Did you check Minnie everywhere?
Angrily looked at Yungi.
This means Yungi definitely did something to Minnie.
Cookie kicked Yungi.
Minjungi, where is Minnie? If Minjungi dare to hurt Minnie, Cookie will beat Minjungi.
T
And Titi will sue Minjungi.
Yungi sat on the couch. Don't act innocent. I know he is with you. He sent you all here to fight on behalf of him. Cookie.
Minnie doesn't need anyone to fight for his behalf.
T.
Minnie is already so strong.
June. Titi. Cookie. Shh. Yungi. Minnie isn't with us. Jin. He called me in the afternoon for money, but we were in flight, so couldn't talk. June. Yeah, we are directly coming from the airport. What happened? Did something happen between you two? Yungi. Yeah, we just had a fight in the morning, and when I returned, I found the house in this condition. I thought he was with you all. Jin. No, he isn't with us. He must be with his friends. I was calling him, but his mobile is off. Out of anger, he must have switched off his mobile. Yungi, his mobile is with me. I took his mobile and laptop with me. June. Why? Yungi. He got the notification for that stupid man and winning to meet him. Out of anger, I broke his all the cards and snatched his mobile and laptop. Jin. You shouldn't do that. He is his love. He can't live without him. Yungi. But I'm his husband. I don't like how he always dreams about him. I wish I can kill him. June. Why are you getting mad? Nobody is going to snatch your husband away from you. He is only yours. Yungi. He only crazy for him. I checked his mobile. His mobile was filled with his pics and videos. There wasn't a single pic of mine. Even his mobile's password was his birthday. They all were talking. Suddenly, Jimin entered while swaying. He was fully drunk. He fell on the floor. They all heard the sound and went there. They found Jimin on the floor and talking with it in drunken voice. Jimin,
Jimmy knows you love Jimmy so much, but
hiccup,
Jimmy loves someone else.
kissed on floor.
Jimmy will marry you in next life. Okay? Now leave Jimmy and move on in your life.
Petted floor. Jin went to Jimin and cupped his face. Minnie, are you alright? Jimin looked at Jin and smiled.
Mama hamster,
Looked at June.
Dada koala,
Looked at Teacup.
baby bunny, baby tiger. You all came here to meet Jimmy.
T.
Baby tiger, but Titi is Tibi, you know.
Cookie looked at Dragon 1C.
And Cookie is a dragon. What happened to Minnie?
June. Minnie, you are drunk? Jimin looked at June.
Dada koala, Jimmy no drunk. Drink come Jimmy tummy.
Yungi went to Jimin and held his hand. Who gave you alcohol? When you can't handle it, then why did you drink? Where were you? You know how worried we were for you. Now, why are you looking at me like this? Jimin pushed him.
You cat, stay away from Jimmy. Jimmy no talk cat, mini cat.
Yungi, shut up. I'm your husband. Come, let's go inside. Jimin
Husband?
dramatically looked at Namjoon.
What? Mama hamster and Dada koala married Jimmy to a cat? No, this can't be possible.
Started crying while throwing his hands and legs.
Jimmy's husband can't be the cat.
Yungi looked at Jimin with sodden face and started dragging him inside. I'm your husband and I'm not a cat. Jimin trying to free himself while sleeping on the floor.
Leave Jimmy. Cat. Jimmy has cat allergy.
Yungi still while dragging him. Jimmy only deserved this cat. Jimin
Jimmy will divorce cat. Jimmy loves that handsome man.
Yungi threw him on the couch. Sit here, I'm your husband. Yungi threw Jimin on fluffy couch and Jimin bounced on it. He fell on TV remote and TV turned on. They all heard a voice. If your husband doesn't understand your feelings, if he tries to stop you, if he tries to separate you from me, never listen to him. Come to me. I will understand your feelings. I will cherish your with my love. I will show you the warmth of love. Always remember, you are only mine. Leave your fourth finger empty for me. I'm waiting for you. Let's kill it together. Jimin looked at the screen and stuck on it like a magnet.
Jimmy will definitely come to you, my love. Only you understand Jimmy.
Showed his fourth finger.
Look, Jimmy emptied Jimmy's fourth finger for you. You are so handsome.
Kissed the screen.
You are so hot. Jimmy will eat you. Jimmy will kill it with you.
Yungi widened his eyes and looked at Namjoon. Ah, did you see? He removed our wedding ring for this useless flirty man. How shamelessly he is drooling over him in front of his own husband. He is literally flirting with him in front of me. We have been only married for 2 weeks and he has still crazy for him. He even cancelled our honeymoon for him. Did you see his shamelessness? Jin, yeah, we saw everything. You don't need to scream. What's wrong with you? Why are you coming in between them? Let them enjoy. Yoongi, let them enjoy? Are you serious? Here my husband is flirting with another man and you are talking so casually like it doesn't matter. Jin, of course it doesn't matter. June, Yoongi, calm down. Why are you getting hyper? He isn't a normal man. Minnie isn't cheating you. He is very famous idol, J-Hope. His fans are crazy for him. He isn't flirting. He is just advertising for his concert. Yoongi, J-Hope, my foot. His name should be a thief or stealer. Because of him, I'm suffering. Jin, the more you try to distance Minnie from J-Hope, the closer he will get to him. Why don't you accept your fate? It will be easier for you to survive. June, yeah, Minnie can forget you, but J-Hope? Never ever. He is oxygen, water, and food for him. And by the way, he showed his right hand's fourth finger. He wore his wedding ring in his left hand's ring finger. Yoongi, no, I can't share my love with anyone else. Not this shameless flirty man. Jimin is only mine. I will never ever let him go to his concert. Jin, don't challenge Minnie. He will divorce you. Jimin was crazy for J-Hope and wanted to go to his concert. In the morning, he was booking his tickets. But Yoongi stopped him. Just like a normal husband, he was so jealous of J-Hope because Jimin always talked about him. Yoongi didn't want to share his husband. He didn't want to accept his fate, but he didn't know he was banging the head on the wall because Jimin would never stop loving J-Hope. For attending J-Hope's concert, he cancelled his honeymoon. Yoongi angrily looked at Jimin, who was still sticking on the screen like a lizard. He angrily turned off TV. Jimin came to him and climbed on the table. Jimin,
You mini cat! You dare to send Jimin's love away from Jimmy? Jimmy loves J-Hope. Jimmy will bring him back. He's so hot and handsome.
Yoongi, even in drunken state, you didn't forget his name. You made us animal, but that flirty man is still J-Hope. I have had enough of your nonsense. Now, get down from the table. You aren't going anywhere. I will break your legs. Jimin cutely flapped his hands like wings.
Jimmy will fly to handsome J-Hope. His body is so hot. He has 6-pack abs.
Yoongi grabbed Jimin's hands. I will break your wings. Jimin,
Then Jimmy will jump to J-Hope.
jumped from the center table.
J-Hope! Jimmy is coming.
Started jumping like kangaroo. Cookie,
Minnie! Cookie is Mama's kangaroo.
Jimin turned to Cookie.
No! Jimmy is a kangaroo. Kangaroo Jimmy is going to meet J-Hope. He's waiting for Jimmy.
Left while jumping. T ran behind Jimin.
Didi, the tiger is coming to protect Minnie.
Jin looked at June. Minnie is fully drunk. Before he harms himself, I will make hangover soup and bring it. Till then, you close the door so that he can't go out of the house. Left. Jin went to the kitchen. June quickly closed the door. Jimin kept jumping here and there, thinking himself a kangaroo. Teacup were having so much fun by running behind him. Poor Yoongi was so done because Jimin was jumping and Yoongi was preventing him from falling. Suddenly, Jimin started dancing and Teacup joined him. Jimin
Jimmy will dance with J-Hope.
looked at Yoongi.
You cat! You can't stop Jimmy from killing it. Mic test, mic test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This one is only for you, mini cat. Kill it, cat. Kill it, cat. 10 out of 10, kill it, cat. Kangaroo Jimmy ready, gotta get some comforty. Cause we gonna celebrate like it's my party. Looking like a 20 from Korea to Miami. Oh, I wanna get with you in the worst way. It should be a crime just to stop Jimmy fine. Cat, if you're single, let me make you mine. Call a doctor before it gets worse. Jimmy really need first aid. You kill it, cat. You kill it, cat. 10 out of 10, you kill it, cat. Mama hamster ready with cola daddy. Little bunny and tiger with Jimmy. Stopping Jimmy from home to concert. Oh, I wanna get with J-Hope in the worst way. It should be a crime, just Jimmy so fine. Cat, if you're mad, let Jimmy dance so bad. Love Jimmy before he runs. Jimmy really need this cat. Kill it, cat. Jimmy love so bad. 10 of the 10, kill it, cat. Jimmy only loves cat. Jimmy girl. 10 out of 10, kill it, girl.
Jimin was happily dancing, circling around Yoongi. He was looking so cute while dancing. He was pulling Yoongi's cheeks and tapped his nose. Yoongi couldn't help and smiled to see him like this. Teacup were enjoying in their own world. Jimin fell on Yoongi's chest and Yoongi protectively held him by his fist.
Cat, Jimmy will dance with J-Hope. And Titi will dance on Mona Lisa.
Cookie.
And Cookie will dance on that. You like that?
June. Yeah, we all will dance. Now, stop it. Minnie is already tired. Jin came with hangover soup. Minnie, now drink it. Jimin removed Yoongi's hand and fell on the floor.
Ah, floor. Jimmy already said that Jimmy only loves J-Hope. Cat is Jimmy's husband. Now there is no place left. Jimmy will love floor in next life. Okay?
Petted floor. Yoongi sat beside Jimin on the floor. This life is already full. June, Minnie, you must be hungry. Eat the soup. Jimin looked at June.
Utte, cola dada.
Crawled to Jin and he fed him soup. But he crawled back and spit on Yoongi's face. Yoongi, you! What are you doing? Why did you spit on me? Wiped his face with his sleeves. Jimin pressed Yoongi's cheeks with his both hands.
Jimmy no eat. First cat promised Jimmy. Cat take Jimmy, kill it, cat, concert, J-Hope.
T, confused and pulled Yoongi's pants.
Dada, what is Minnie saying? Titi doesn't understand.
Cookie,
Cookies is smart, but still Cookie doesn't understand.
Jin, shh, keep quiet. Dada will understand TT and Cookie at home. Jimin, still pressing Yoongi's cheeks.
Cat not dogging, cat tongue missing.
Went closer to Yoongi.
Cat say yes, otherwise Jimmy bite cat.
Went more closer to him, but passed out before kissing him. Yoongi smiled. Kangaroo Jiminy. Jimin, screaming his lungs out.
J-Hope! Ah! Kill it, girl! 10 out of 10, kill it, girl! Go, J-Hope! Sarangi!
Jimin was screaming his lungs out because he was at J-Hope's concert, surrounded by thousands of fans who were screaming. J-Hope was performing on Kill It Girl with exposed abs, killing his fans with his hotness. Everyone went crazy. Guess what? Yoongi himself brought Jimin in his concert along with Namjoon and Taekook. Namjoon were enjoying the concert. Taekook were dancing on high music. Yoongi was standing beside Jimin and watching his craziness while judging him. Yoongi, are you enjoying screaming other men's name in front of your husband? Jimin,
I'm enjoying so much. Thank you.
Yoongi, I can double your enjoyment. Jimin, how? Yoongi, we are going on another concert. Jimin happily looked at him.
Really? Who's?
Yoongi, have you heard 7? Jimin, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 days in a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, night after night, I will be loved. Yoongi whispered in his ear, Split one, baby. Be ready. You enjoyed enough. Now it's my turn. Get ready to scream my name. Jimin looked at Yoongi with widened eyes and hiccuped. Love isn't about control, power, or fear. It's about trust, patience, and listening even when emotions run wild. Anger spoken in haste can break more than objects. It can shake the safety of a heart. Jealousy reveals love, but respect keeps it alive. When pride bows down to understanding, even the most ruthless hearts learn to soften because real strength isn't ruling the world, it's protecting the person you love. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Army's husbands are going to suffer like Yoongi in future because their wives will love BTS more than them. Poor they. They will come at 8th number according to their priority list. Agree. I have made many emotional movies, so I thought that this time a funny and chaotic story should be made. Yoongi can be a ruthless mafia king, but only for the world. For his husband, he will always a cute, caring, supportive, and a jealous husband who can do anything just to make his love happy. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with a new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.